we say gorgeous, that means it's not raining outside. And that's also concerning considering that, we are still battling drought conditions in some areas.
Yes, we are, but things have drastically improved. We've had a 25% reduction in the drought across the Lone Star State over the last 3 weeks, which is a drastic improvement. We've seen quite a bit of rain this month, which we'll get to here in just a second. But as we look at last week's drought monitor, we noted that, yes, we still had the moderate drought in place, and this is not a good sign to see, but watch what happens this week. The severe drought in our northwestern areas, largely unchanged, but the moderate drought has been reduced just a little bit in our far eastern counties from about central Rusk County up to southern Cass County. We don't even have abnormally dry conditions, which is denoted by the yellow you see on your screen right there. So big improvement this week. Hopefully that trend continues into next week. And I mean, you can see the numbers tell the story as well. We've seen about 3.5 inches at Tyler. That's about 1 1/10 of an inch above normal. Longview still have some work to do. We've seen over 2 inches of rain. That's actually a 1/2 inch below the norm. And then over 6 inches has fallen in Lufkin, and we've seen 2.83 inches above where we typically are at this time of the month. Mostly clear skies in Tyler right now. As we look at the almanac, we got to 70 today. That's despite a morning low of 35. And I was talking to a lot of people, and a lot of you did have some patchy frost either on the roof of or on the car or on your front lawn. So that was very nice to see, very refreshing to see this morning, because it is late November, folks. And speaking of, we have seen temperatures at or above normal each day this month so far, and I don't really see that trend changing anytime soon. We're very close to average tomorrow afternoon. We hop up to 71 Saturday, and then we'll be in the upper 70s Sunday and Monday before another front arrives at some point next week and keeps us in the upper 60s and lower 70s until Thanksgiving Day. A ridge of high pressure is in place, so it is a cool and dry air mass, but the ridge is going to move off to the east, and that's part of the reason why we are going to see that temperature jump come Sunday and Monday of next week. We are in the 50s right now. Tonight we'll fall into the upper 30s and lower 40s. Tomorrow, a touch cooler than today. Still plenty of sunshine. Highs will be in the mid to upper 60s. Skipping ahead to your Thanksgiving Day forecast, this is what we have so far. Again, folks, this is a nonlinear science, so this can change. Temperatures in the 60s, mostly cloudy skies, breezy, with an isolated chance of a couple of showers here and there. So Thanksgiving Day does not look all that bad. I don't see any travel disruptions across the Lone Star State. Lots of sunshine Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We will continue into early next week. A few showers Wednesday and Thursday. We will see some cooler air moving in Thanksgiving Day as we go from 72 Wednesday down to 64 Thursday. And then as we look at deep East Texas, we should be dry the first 5 of 7 days, with rain chances arriving by the mid to late part of next week. Isaac, Casey.
All right, Carson, thank you.
Coming up.